Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is select the data that we're going to apply the formula to. Then you're going to go up to Format, you're going to go down and you're going to click Conditional Formatting. Then you're going to get this tab or window of information over here. And we're going to go down and we're going to select Format Rules, Format Cells If. We're going to go all the way to the bottom and then we're going to do Custom Formula Is. So now we're going to apply this formula here. So it's a count if formula, which basically means it's going to count based on the data here if certain conditions are met. So for example, we need to modify this information inside the brackets to fit the range that we're working with. So we need to change this to C, and then C, and then this is starting in C2. So if we don't have it starting at C2, it's not going to be accurate. As you can see, it's not picking the first one. The first one should be highlighted because there's multiple twos in the data set here. So all you got to do is click that. And as you can see now, it's highlighting every single number in this list that appears more than once. So that's how you would apply the formula to find duplicates using conditional formatting. And you can modify this formula for larger sets of data. And basically this means it's looking at everything in C, in column C, starting at C2, and then if it appears more than once. So I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thanks.